how to record in Descript. So first go to Descript and then you can just open up one of your projects in Descript, okay, or just create a new one. So once you've opened up, you can just see something like this, but you won't see any of the media like I have here, since I've already added some media here. So if you want to record in Descript, you can just click on record here at the middle, and then you can just select the camera or the screen, and then or use audio only. So as for me, I'll just use the audio only. Also, you can record with others as well. So just click on audio only, and then you can just click on record into script. Then it'll say 3, 2, 1, and then you can just start saying anything here to record your audio, and then you can just stop here, and then it will add it here. Okay. So let's just see the timeline. So you can see now I have added another audio. Okay, which is this one. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.